You guys know it by now, right? So we will start by creaming our cream cheese in a bowl. The cream cheese that I have used here is softened, that is, I have allowed it to sit at room temperature for 30 minutes before starting with the recipe. Since it's such a small amount, I am using my hand whisk to cream it, but you can of course go ahead and use your handheld beater or even an stand mixer. Like you can see, the cream cheese is now so soft, smooth and lump-free. At this stage, we will go ahead and start with our next procedure, that is to add in the whipping cream. Like I have said in my previous video as well, when you are adding your whipping cream, do remember to whip the cream cheese mixture continuously so that the end product is always smooth and lump-free. If you are finding it difficult to pour the whipping cream with one hand and whipping it with another, definitely go ahead and use your handheld beater, no harm at all. Once you have added the whipping cream, go ahead and add your icing sugar little at a time. Once again, do remember to whip it continuously while you are adding the icing sugar. You can also use caster sugar here, just that the icing sugar has some cornstarch added to it, which also helps in stabilizing the cream. Finally, it's time to add in our cocoa powder. Once again, whip it continuously while adding the cocoa powder. Also some vanilla essence to flavor it all up. Now that all our ingredients are in place, it's just time to whisk it up all together until you get stiff peaks. Let me share a pro tip with you all. If you are worried about the cocoa powder not mixing in well with your cream, then what you can do is take the weighed out cocoa powder in a bowl, add some cream to it, say about 2 to 3 tablespoons of measured out cream, and then combine together to make a cocoa paste. And now you can use this paste instead of the cocoa powder that we added directly. You can do it any which ways, either way the choice is yours. One more tip for a smoother and clean finish is to always sift your cocoa powder and also icing sugar whenever you are using it. You would know you have reached the stiff peak stage when you just poke your whisk at the center, lift it up and see that the whipped cream is holding its shape and not leaning to one side. So that's one test. The second test that you can do to check whether your cream is whipped enough is that to take it out onto a spatula. And even when you turn it all upside down, it won't fall off from your spatula. That's so magical, right? So that was a simple and super duper easy frosting recipe that you could ever make. You can use this frosting to decorate a cupcake like I have done in my previous video, and this is so sturdy that you can also use it as a filling in a cake or maybe frost an entire cake with this frosting. This would also make beautiful rosettes on top of your cake. It's such a versatile frosting, you can just top it to any dessert and take it to the next level. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and comment below and let me know which is your favorite frosting. I will see you soon with yet another one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off from Spices and Flavors. Take care. Bye bye.